Hi and welcome to a preview of my Pink Peony watercolor tutorial. This tutorial is based on a much larger painting that I did a little while ago, and I received so many requests for a tutorial of it that I finally got around to doing it. So here it is in a slightly simplified version. This tutorial uses a wet into wet technique in order to create the smooth transitions from the darker areas to the lighter ones. I start off using quite a thick consistency of my paint mix where the darker shadow areas are on the petal, and then pull the paint out to create the mid-tone and lighter areas. This tutorial will take you through mixing up all of the precise colours that you need for the different areas of the petal and talk you through every technique that I use in order to create the desired effect, and then adding in the details and the finishing touches. This is such a beautiful peony, and all of its individual petals are slightly different to each other in shape as they twist and turn and overlap each other, and also in tone, as some are much more in shadow and are therefore a much deeper and darker colour, and then to the large petal at the front, which is capturing a lot more light and is therefore a lot lighter and brighter pink. I'll tackle all of these colour variations, explaining my colour mixes as I go along. I use layers to build up my petal surface to ensure that I achieve the deep, rich, velvety colour and texture that I want. And then, using my really small brush, which has a very precise point, I paint in this complex centre. I take you step by step through the process of building this up, a little bit at a time, so that it becomes a much more simple exercise than it looks at first glance. You don't need any experience to paint in these complex structures, you just need a system in place, and I'll take you through this. The full tutorial is nearly 3 hours long, and if you would like more information, just pop over to the Watercolor Members Club. The link is below this video, and you can have a look at this and all of the other tutorials that are instantly available to you when you join up. So I look forward to seeing you over there, and thanks for watching.